Alright, this is the third video writing formulas for ionic and polyatomic compounds. This is our last example that we'll do. Again, just to give you a general sense of how to do the skill steps for writing formulas for ionic and polyatomic compounds. Again, S stands for symbols and charge is written down, so we want to write our symbols. Iron, you go to your periodic table and you'll find iron right here. It's Fe. Oxide, again, you have to look at the back of your periodic table and to find out if the second half of the name is actually just your regular nonmetals by themselves, like here, or a polyatomic ion, which is made of more than one nonmetal joined together. And when you look for oxide in that first list, you'll see there is right there, oxide, and that is an alternate name for oxygen. So we write O. Now we have to find the charges. Now, when you look at this periodic table here that has all the charges of the ions, you'll notice that iron can be +2 or +3. So which one is it? Well, interestingly, you're told that using the Roman numerals. Now the Roman numerals are actually written on the back of your periodic table as well, at the very top, and you'll notice that here II, or 2, well, is 2. So that means iron has a positive charge of +2. And remember, metals always have a positive charge. Oxide, we look for oxygen. There it is right there. It's a nonmetal, has a charge of -2. So there we are. The next step, K, crisscross the charges to make subscripts. Again, the charges go down to the opposite metal or non-metal to the bottom right. So now we've got Fe2. That 2 comes from here. And we've got O2, and that 2 comes from there. You'll notice that the subscripts are 2 and 2. So we don't have the subscripts in lowest terms. So you have to divide the subscripts here by something that will lower them. And of course, what's common to both of them was 2. So if I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. And if I divide 2 over here by 2, I get 1. So I got Fe1O1, which can be typically written as FeO. We generally don't write these ones when we're doing these types of questions. So just FeO, iron 2 oxide, that is its formula.